So for the record, he didn't pee himself.
It's ice. That's how Canadians stay cold in the desert. And this. Don't get that?
I guess we're going this way now?
Yeah, we should be going that way, right?
I was gonna ask you, Dick.
Yeah, I think the GPS is pointing this way. That's why I knew to turn. What is up, you beautiful people? Welcome to yet another burning in California Bicasso video. So today, this is the last day we'll be in Palm Springs. I'm getting ready to head to Las Vegas. So we got a new addition to the group today. Well, we lost Cliff. Cliff left last night. Okie Addiction left also, and then we still got Kevin, still got Bearded, we got Meatball Rebel, and we got Chris that just rode up on his M109. He's gonna ride with us. He's from the area, and then of course we got J Fast on his bobber. Then we got Chris, OG Chris, triple OG Chris on his Road Glide special. And then we got the Chieftain on 16. So yeah, it's gonna be fun. But we're about to go gas up and get some grub right quick, and then we're gonna head out. Dude, I'm sweating already. It's hot. iHop, you hop, we all freaking hop, hippity hippity hop. Do it. Boom. Hell no.
What was it? Showed that cup who's sponsoring.
I don't think Meatball knows what happened to Meatball last night.
I'm not really sure. I got Meatball some clues. Huh? The Meatball took over. Yeah. Don't let him do that. Maybe let him do that. He did that.
Don't take that shot. Take two.
Yeah, let's
finish the whole bottle.
Let's do the whole bottle.
What's Kevin doing?
I don't know. Kevin.
No.
Yeah, it's hot.
Hey, you left your bike on.
They hit the kill switch instead of the button.
Dang, Meatball. Come on, Meatball.
Check on me. Hold on. Blinker off.
Yep. Hey, I guess Chris is gonna bring his stuff in. The other Chris. The other guy's name is Chris.
Oh, that'll be easy.
It's time for some International House of Pancakes. Yes.
What time do you go to bed?
I have no
The sun is lovely.
Oh my god, that looks delicious. Buttermilk Yes, more Cristo. Thanks, man.
The bikes and cars.
That looks good. Your food looks good.
That's all from Jay.
Pancakes. Everybody's eating good today. Jay, where's your food, big buddy?
Not here yet.
Did you order at the
He doesn't get
restaurant? Meatball.
Meatball's
At
just
least
running
it's
on
small.
coffee. He's running on coffee and water.
See, that could have been you.
Anything else you're missing?
You must let me know what that tastes like, Jay.
No, you're good? All right.
Bacon, cheddar, chicken and waffles.
Enjoy it.
My God. You're not gonna be worth anything. I got this delicious strawberry jam. That's all we need. It's going to be delicious. It's good. It's good. Oh man, I'm full. Yeah, so we just got done eating, and now we're about to hop on the bikes and gas up and then head to Vegas. But shout out to Chris. Chris bought us all breakfast. Very nice gesture, man. Thank you for that. But did it get hotter? I think it got hotter. He J fast. He ate the chicken and waffles that I was gonna eat. I envy you, buddy. I envy you. It's hot, but I'm here for it.
Into a fucking cactus.
I didn't puke.
Complained the whole. Oh yeah, you did.
Really?
You walked.
You don't
Yeah,
remember
you did
puking
walk into a
last night?
cactus. How you think your hand got messed up?
His hair got messed up.
No, his hand.
Oh no, I know the cactus. I don't
Got
remember.
the seat's gonna be like scorching hot.
To be fair, you kept, Warm your, ass. you kept your dignity and did it in a toilet in private, but it still came up.
I seem to recall a little bit of that. I thought that was the night before.
Puked. Fuck.
Oh god.
And then
I can't talk shit.
you rode to Vegas.
I think we're pushing our limits here, people.
You gotta pull the chute. You gotta pull
Yeah.
the chute.
Meatball,
I just
my
I don't
friend.
puke much.
my friend,
Never.
he's hanging on. We're all hanging on in some kind of way.
Except for Kevin.
But Vegas must happen. We must do this.
I think once we get up to Yucca a little bit, give him a break.
Sprinkle it on you like some bedazzle, like.
It's everywhere. Give you like 30 minutes relief.
Oh man, that's nice. So Chris, what have you done to your M109 so far? Was it completely stock besides the windshield?
Just the windshield, cruise thing, and then.
Oh, the throttle lock. Oh, snap! You do have the throttle lock. How is that?
Oh, you never use it?
No, I haven't.
Oh, this is fantastic. It's really, really easy to use. I just get it to be, you know, to where it's real tight, and then while I'm riding, you know, I could just move it to where I need to.
So how does
and
it?
It's good.
So what is it? It knocks against this.
Yeah. Once you get to a certain.
Okay.
You know,
And this is what, a 2019 or 18?
18.
18.
Yeah. Yeah. They we're selling it for like 10 something.
Woo! You got a good deal. Yeah, man, these are beautiful machines. Oh, that is. Oh God. Okay. So what's going on here, Kevin?
Oh, I don't know. Just
He's
living the dream.
You're over here.
America was too
It's okay.
hot.
Better be safe. So what are you gonna ride?
I'm gonna ride the bobber.
What are you gonna ride?
He's riding
Fucking
the Sporty.
Sportster.
What are you gonna ride?
Taking a car. Riding the Impala.
Chevy Malibu.
Our support vehicle
That's what she
is Meatball.
Meatball's not talking right now.
He's not talking. He's trying not to die.
Hey, you gonna vomit?
I'm fine.
All right, let's get this thing going. It's getting a little difficult now. There's Chris over there. And we're finding Dookies in the middle of the road. There's Dookie.
That's right.
They're what?
You guys ever heard of the Tragically Hip?
Oh no. They're new. Never mind. Gotta tell you guys, if you've made it this far in this adventure, thank you for watching. But don't forget to hit that notification bell, because now, finally we're heading to Vegas after leaving Palm Springs, and the temperature is gonna drop a little bit. But we got a long road ahead of us through the desert, so yeah, it's an experience, right? Again, this. Chris. There's Chris.
We'll see how it goes when we get going.
Oh my God.
I couldn't. I was like throttle, back.
Oh my God. Dude, pull your bike up.
Huh?
Chris, pull your bike up, man.
Dude, that seat's gonna be so fucking hot.
It's gonna be hot, man.
Look, these are fake pumps. Just go right here.
Yeah, pull up, man. Oh, wow. Wow. So far. Oh God.
Fuck, man.
This is awful.
Meatball. These are fake pumps. Bring your bike to the chain.